was just saying, I wish I knew what planes these were, and then I came in here and saw you.
I don't know.
They're right to 100.
Oh yeah, you're right. Look, 100 in the sky. You can see it. That's stealthy.
Yeah. They're the Eurofighters. They're the Typhoons.
Look at this. 100 in the
nice.
sky.
That's amazing. Yeah.
You get a picture.
Oh yeah.
It's just got glare off the windows. It's the only problem.
Yeah. I'm trying to.
That's amazing.
Can you guys put them on the London chat if you get any good ones?
Everyone's gonna have the same picture.
Yeah, good, because I'm not
Problem is,
getting
I've got all these bad jokes in the background.
Oh god, yeah, just audio off. Whoa!
Whoa!
Do you think we're allowed to take pictures from here today?
Yeah. Just got people in our garden. That's who's going to win tonight.
That's it.
I think it's done.
Yeah.